Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Then, locate the 12-volt battery terminals under the hood of your Corolla Cross. It's important to identify the positive and negative terminals correctly before proceeding to the next step. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Corolla Cross, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Corolla Cross's battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your hybrid. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few more minutes of charging time and then attempt to start it again. Patience is key here. Once your Corolla Cross Hybrid starts, it's time to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your vehicle. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Finally, remove the red positive cable from the donor vehicle, and then from your Corolla Cross. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.